Hello, my name is Angela Kim. I'm currently a junior at Boston University. USA offered me this internship placement for Starck Uberoi Solicitor, which I was very delighted to accept. I thought this experience would give me a great hands-on experience in an office environment and would open my eyes a little bit more to the legal field. I was very surprised of looking at how everyone was very welcoming on my first day. They were very kind and cheerful. Um, I first thought that it would be hard to reach out to other colleagues, but that wasn't an issue. Um, I realized that the office environment was very open and communicative because even though everyone had the different tasks, they were very willing to help each other. I'm currently working in the Brentford office, which mainly deals with residential property. So I've been assisting solicitors by closing and opening files. I've also been working on Legal 500, which actually really helps me to learn because I have to come up with a summary with various successful cases that happen here in Starck Uberoi Solicitors and summarizing up the case. Also, I've been revising and making new contents for the new stage and website. And this requires me to actually research the new legal knowledge as well as reading the contents that was previously uploaded. I'm especially very thankful for Raminder because he has been very supportive of all of our interns. Even though I'm placed in Brentford, which deals with residential property, he also gave us opportunities to visit other offices, such as in Richmond and Canterbury. So I have been able to connect with the solicitors that works in the field that I'm interested in. Initially, I had some challenges when I was answering the phone calls because property law was very unfamiliar to me in the beginning. But I realized that to overcome this challenge, I had to eventually face it and practice it and be used to it. So what I did was I had to study the terminologies for the property law, and that helped me a lot to understand the clients more quickly and to address their matter and to transfer their matter to the right solicitor. During an internship, I learned that how much I learn solely depends on me. I have to be very proactive in order to learn something, and if you're not needed, you have to make yourself needed. I believe Starck Uberoi Solicitor had solidified my future aspirations towards law, but as an undergraduate, I'm still in the process of narrowing down my interest, which is currently personal injury, criminal, and immigration. From reviewing all the cases for Legal 500, I learned that it takes a lot of time and a rigorous process for one case to be finalized and give the clients the great outcome. Looking at those long progress has been very inspiring for me, and I learned that many people are needing law and law can really help them. If I had to give an advice for the future interns, I would say you have to be very open and have the willingness to learn. It'll be not as much in the beginning, but you will have a lot of workloads under your hand, and there will be a time that you have to prioritize your tasks, be communicative with your colleagues, and have the responsibility. To sum up my experience into 3 words, I would say growth, development, and strength. Through this experience, I learned what my strength was, along with my weaknesses that I have to develop. And the overall experience allowed me to grow both personally and professionally. I would really recommend a placement at Starck Uberoi Solicitors because it will provide you a very valuable experience that you will get to interact and be involved in the legal area.